Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on suppress all role mentions on notification settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here. Now here click notifications. Here as you see you will find suppress all role mentions. Click like this and it will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on suppress all role mentions on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.